Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to the online tutorial class of Basic Reading or Reading 1 with me, Atias. I am your tutor for this semester. And if you have any problems to access your course during this semester, I will accompany you and facilitate you. And you can contact me through my email, atiasawa1@gmail.com. Dear my fellow students, in this online tutorial activity, you are all expected to take an active role in every discussions that exists at each initiations by providing responses or sharing opinions on the problems given, as well as working on exercises and assignments by uploading answer to these exercises and assignments at a predetermined time and place. Your activeness in this online tutorial will be a value for you. If you have questions and problems related to this course, you can contact me through my email. My fellow students, the important thing that students should know in this online tutorial is that students will study 8 materials in each initiations for 8 weeks. 1 initiation for 1 materials. And each initiations, there will be discussion that student must participate and practice questions that student must do. In week number 3, 5, and 7, student will be asked to do assignments in addition to the exercise on each initiation. The active period of each initiation is 1 week, while the active period of each assignment is 2 weeks. The answer to the initiation exercise will be provided after the initiation's materials and are deactivated and if you have completed them. This course fulfilled with some exercises to improve your reading skills in elementary levels. You will introduce about various kind of texts in simple, and also you will improve your understanding with several techniques in reading. In general, all of the materials will be discussed in this course are first, using context clues, second, using word structure and analysis, number 3, analyzing sentence and structures, number 4, we will learn about relationships of ideas in a sentence, number 5, we will discuss about previewing, editing, skimming, and scanning. Number 6, we are going to understand about following instruction and using dictionaries. And then the rest, 7 and 8 weeks, we are going to learn about reading graphs and maps and understanding figure of speech. For your informations, total scores in these online tutorials will contribute for about 30% of the total score in your final semester of this course. So, don't forget to study hard to get a best scores during this semester. Once again, I will facilitate and I will be your tutor. So, if you want to have facilitation and also help, you can contact me through my email. Let's move to the first week in initiation number 1. We are going to discuss the new materials. Once again, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Terbuka, making higher education open to all.